At the end of this course, you will have all the tools available in your belt to deliver a professional grade product to add to your portfolio. Hi, everyone. I am Fernando Francis, and I am part of the creative community of Instagram. I was one of the first who test run this 3D printing course for footwear for Lemenush. And here's my honest opinion. This class is amazing. If you're looking to elevate your skills to the next level, look no more. The way Jared explained and guide you through the process from the beginning to the end is great. You have to have a little bit of knowledge of Blender, just the basics, but in this course, everything that is related to the footwear is touched in detail. I like it a lot. The fact that you can even test print a product and have it in your hand, and you can even iterate on top of that. This gives you a lot of power and freedom in another viewpoint that you do not have in sketching. Another part that I like the most is the fact that it shows you in Blender how to use some of the plugins to develop a professional grade results. The use of the tissue plugin in which you can generate parametric forms to give textures, threads to the footwear. The part where it shows you how to render the product is next level. So at the end of this course, you will have all the tools available in your belt to deliver a professional grade product to add to your portfolio. So definitely enroll in this class and you will have great results in no time.